Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Our topic today says, learn simple sentences with oge or time. Last time we learned about mgbe, meaning period in English. And we said that mgbe and oge, they are just the same thing. But mgbe means period, while oge means time. Oge means time. So let us see it in sentences. Igbo, English. Class, repeat after me. Number one sentence says, oge ahụ. Class, I'll say that. Oge ahụ, meaning that time or then. If you don't want to say that time, you say then in short form. It means oge ahụ. The second example says, oga. Oga. Oga means this time or now. Again, oga, this time or now. Oge ọzọ. I'll say that. Oge ọzọ, meaning next time or later in short form. Number 4 says, oge ole. Class, I'll say that. Oge ole, meaning which time or what time. In short form, it means when. The fifth one, oge niile. I'll say that. Oge niile, meaning every time or always. Lastly, number 6 says, oge ọbụla. Class, say it. Oge ọbụla, meaning anytime or whenever. Oge ọbụla, anytime or whenever. Remember that we said that mgbe and oge are just the same thing. So use it in sentences. So try and make use of them in your sentences. Like and share our videos. Bye for now.